Planning a bathroom safety upgrade this year? You're likely wondering, how much does a walk-in tub actually cost in 2026? On average, walk-in tubs cost between $5,000 and $20,000 fully installed. But let's break that down. The unit itself usually runs between $2,500 and $14,000, with installation adding another $1,500 to $8,000. Your choice of tub type is the biggest factor. A basic soaker with no jets is your most affordable entry point. For gentle therapy, air jet models typically start around $5,500 installed, providing soothing bubbles. True hydrotherapy models use powerful water jets for deep tissue massage and range from $6,500 to $18,000. If you want both air and water therapy, combo systems offer the ultimate experience but can reach up to $22,000. Bariatric or wide-door models are designed for extra comfort and accessibility, typically falling in the $6,500 to $18,000 range. Let's use our calculator to estimate a specific project, starting with your installation complexity, which drives labor costs. A simple swap in the same location with no major plumbing changes is the most cost-effective installation path. Moderate complexity involves minor plumbing or electrical upgrades to support new jet systems and electrical requirements. Complex installs requiring structural changes or moving main drain lines can cost up to $8,500 in labor. Don't forget the add-ons. Small upgrades like fast-fill faucets or grab bars can add a few $100s to your total. Larger tubs often require a water heater upgrade to 50 gallons or more, which can range from $800 to $1,800. Finishing the look with new surround tile or wall work adds between $800 and $2,500. Brand choice also moves the needle. Let's compare the top names in the industry based on price and warranty. American Standard offers great quality with a massive dealer network, averaging $7,000 to $18,000 installed. Kohler is the premium choice for quality and design, with installed totals ranging from $8,000 to $22,000. Safe Step focuses specifically on seniors with direct installation, typically costing $6,000 to $15,000 total. For those on a budget, brands like Ella and Empava offer great value, with some systems starting as low as $3,500. Specific features also impact price. For instance, outward swinging doors are easier for caregivers but cost a bit more to install. Luxury features like heated seats or chromotherapy lighting can add several $100s to your unit cost, but improve the experience. Since this is a significant investment, let's look at the most common ways homeowners are financing these safety upgrades. Some Medicare Advantage plans cover walk-in tubs if they are deemed medically necessary. Check with your plan provider for details. Veterans may qualify for HISA grants up to $6,800, and many states offer Medicaid waivers for home modifications. Using your home equity through a line of credit is one of the most cost-effective ways to finance these long-term improvements. Many certified installers offer 0% APR financing for 12 to 24 months, making the cost much more manageable. We often get asked, what's the absolute cheapest option? That would be a basic soaker unit, which starts around $2,500. How long does it take? Most professional installations are surprisingly fast and are usually completed in just 1 to 2 days. Are there disadvantages? The main ones are the time it takes to fill and drain the tub while you're sitting inside it. What is the best brand? It's the one that offers the best balance of build quality, a lifetime warranty, and positive local reviews. Beyond immediate safety, these tubs can increase your home's resale value, especially for those looking to age in place comfortably. Because every bathroom layout is unique, we always recommend getting at least 3 separate quotes from certified installers. When reviewing quotes, look closely at the breakdown between labor and unit costs and verify the contractor's credentials. If you're using Medicare Advantage, you'll almost certainly need a physician letter documenting the medical necessity for the tub. Don't forget to check with your local area agency on aging for home modification grants that may be available in your specific county. To recap, choose your tub type carefully, select a reliable brand, budget for installation, and explore all financing options available. Ready to get started? Visit BathEstimates.com/cost/walk-in tub to use our calculator and connect with certified installers in your area today.